Hello students, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. So friends, today we are going to start our exercise number 3.2. So in exercise 3.2 question number 1 is that the scores in the mathematics test of the 15 student is as follow. So total 15 students are there and their marks are given below. So first of all, we have to arrange the all marks into ascending order. So arrange the all marks into ascending order. So here I arranged the all mark as ascending order 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25 and 25. So we have to find the mode median. Oh, okay, mode means the number which is repeating the maximum time. So we can see the 20 is repeating 4 times. It is maximum. So mode is equal to 20 and the median. Median means middle ka number. So here let me count here how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 15 numbers are there. 15. Okay, so 15 minus 1 is sub 14. तो 14 है तो 14 का हाफ 7, तो दोनों साइड 7 7 लीव कर दो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, तो ये 20 आएगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, तो बीच में आएगा 20. सो मीडियन इज 20. और क्वेश्चन ये पूछा है कि इज मेड मोड एंड मीडियन बोथ आर सेम. सो आंसर में हमको लिखना है यस, बोथ आर सेम. सो हियर our question number 1 is finished. Now question number 2, let we see. So question number 2 is that the run scored in the cricket match by the 11 players is as follow. 11 players ने जो रन बनाए हैं, स्कोर बनाया है, इट इज गिवन एज बिलो. 6, 15, 120, 50, 180, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. So find the mean, mode and median. And question is that are the three same? तीनों सेम है, mean, mode and median. So let we find mean, mode and median from the given data. So friends, हमारा पहला काम है यह डेटा को ascending order में arrange करना. So let we arrange this data into ascending order. So here मैंने इसको ascending order में 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. Now mean addition of all divided by the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Addition of all divided by 11. अगर हम सबका एडिशन करेंगे तो आंसर मिलेगा 429 डिवाइड बाई 11. सो इट्स 39. सो हमारा मीन हो गया 39. नाउ नेक्स्ट mode which number is repeating maximum time. So from the given data we can see that 15 is repeating 3 times. So our mode is equal to 15. Now median. So friends, we can say that here total 11 observations are there. 11 observation. From this 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Half of 10 5. So both side 5 leave कर दो. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. तो सेंटर में आ गया 1 5 15. So it's a median is a 15. So here our question number 2 is finished. Question number 3, the weight in kg of 15 students are in the class. Weight is given. So question 1, find the mode and median. Is there mode more than one mode? Mode 1 से ज़्यादा है. So let me find. First of all we will arrange this into ascending order. Arrange this all weight into ascending order. Okay, so I'll show you. Here I arrange them into ascending order. 32 small, उससे बड़ा like this, ascending order. Now first of all we have to find the mode. Mode means which number is repeating the maximum time. So friends, we can say that here 38 is repeating 3 times and 43 is also repeating 3 times. So 38 and 43, there are 2 mode. And median means here how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So total 15 are there. Okay, so both side we can leave 7 7 7 7 ja 7 2 ja 14 plus 1 15. So 7 7 leave कर दो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 40. 1 2 3. So our median is 40. Question is that is there more than one mode? So answer is yes, there is 2 mode. There are 2 mode. Now next question number 4, the data is given and we have to find mode and median. So all the data I arrange in ascending order 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 16, 19. So mode is a 14, maximum time repeating, and the median is 14. Okay. Now, a last question of this exercise, that is true false. The mode is always one of the number in the data. Mode वही होगा जो डेटा में दिया है उसमें से ही एक मोड होगा. So it's a true. Now next, the mean is one of the number in the data. Mean होगा वो हमारे डेटा में से ही कोई एक नंबर होगा. So answer is false. वो नहीं हो सकता. Now next, the median is always one of the number in the data. Median तो हमारे डेटा में से ही होगा. तो yes. And the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has a mean 9. सबका मीन 9 होगा. तो यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स मैंने मीन फाइंड किया है. सबका एडिशन डिवाइड बाई 8, so 64 divided by 8, 8 जा 64, तो mean is 8. So here mean is given 9, so it's also false. So friends, here we stop our video lecture over here. Complete this exercise 3.2 in your notebook and send me the photograph today itself. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.